Baby kangaroos travel easily. Inside their mommy's pouches. But they must be careful. They mustn't move too much and must hold on tight because with their mommy's hops, they could easily fall out. If they don't move and stay calm, they won't fall out. We can't do the same because our mommies don't have a pouch in their tummies. But when we are inside the car or on a bike with our parents, we must sit in a special chair just for us and wear the safety belt, just as if we traveled inside the kangaroo's pouch. This way, even if the car shakes suddenly, we won't fall out and hurt ourselves. Remember, inside the car, you must wear the safety belt and sit properly at all times.